Artists have, always been makers of things. What we do here is we train the next generation of folks to decide what that means for them. It's one of the things I particularly value about teaching in the interdisciplinary sculpture department. We mean that interdisciplinary part like very, very much.
I really just wanted to make things, and when I'm in like the wood shop or the metal shop, we're all coming from different backgrounds and different places, so it makes it so much more easier to bounce ideas off of each other.
And the students here are great, and they're really caring of each other and of their practice and their relationship to the world. It's a great community to be part of. We sort of do research through making and through this kind of material exploration and kind of playing and kind of pushing things around and stepping back and looking at it.
The people I've met, my professors, it has just made me look at things in a very different way.
You can't have that sort of growth of an artist without that trust. And I think that carries through the faculty here and through the staff and the shops.
I'm like always trying to like lure people into coming into sculpture because I'm like, you don't even know what all we have. Amazing hand tools for people to work with, a whole metal shop, CNC plasma cutter, MIG welding. It's an amazing resource.
The things that artists bring to the world are the things that nobody else is going to bring. So you can learn all these technical things and develop your skills and find within yourself that practice that you have to do, or you'll figure out some kind of interesting application of your own skill set that you can bring to the world.